Hey, good morning, everyone. It's Jeff Nolan. Today's realestateanswer.com or 480-626-0936 to get me directly. Remember in the prior video, I told you about the guy who was contemplating bankruptcy in 30 days, and he wanted me to list his home. Well, here was the deal. He went to his bankruptcy attorney to try to run through how he can get his proceeds without admitting to the bankruptcy court that he's doing that. Now, obviously, that raised a red flag with me. I called title to double check, and sure enough, it would be federal fraud to do that. So that's what I'm not getting involved in. But that's also what his attorney told him he's not getting involved in. So that's good. So here's the answer. So basically, at closing, my buyer's interested in the house. They made a verbal offer yesterday. It's a little lower than we thought because he wants to add another $150,000 in fixing of the property, which is way above and beyond. He just made that number up out of nowhere to try to get a low price. So I get that. And I don't know that we'll be able to work it out. But anyway, so here's how the closing would go down. The first and second would be paid off. And any difference would go into an escrow account at the title company, and it would sit there until the lien is resolved, meaning the bankruptcy attorney believes they can get the lien just flat off the property because it's an improper lien. But I don't know that as the agent. So do I care? No. I get paid at closing, 30 days basically from when we write the contract. And then he would have to go off and have his legal battle over that difference at a later date. So what the client decided to do, because he's got some medical issues, he's going to put off filing the bankruptcy until after the medical operations are performed and he's recovered. So that's how that one was resolved, which is really good. Now it's just my job to get the parties to agree on the actual price. So with that, I'm Jeff Nolan, today's realestateanswer.com. 480-626-0936 if you need me direct, if you've got a real estate question, if you need to buy or sell a house, you know anybody that needs to buy or sell a house. So we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.